What's up, Sharks? Andrew Keene here. You say, AK, why aren't you hanging up by a pool with your tank top on, telling us how great it is, your life is, and stuff like that? Sometimes you got to change it up in life. Now I just happen to be outside of one of the coolest monuments I've seen outside of a hotel room. You could say I'm in Singapore, but that wouldn't be the truth. I'm in Baltimore. So I think that's the Washington Monument. Today in MRVL, I took one signal up 50% profit in 1 day. It's a 10-year interest rate bond, pays 2.5%. Most of you guys are getting less than 1% in the bank. One signal today in 8 hours produced 50% profits. I bought the MRVL April 20 and a half calls for 69 cents. I sold them for $1.05. That's 35-cent profit on 69 cents. How much is that, guys? 50% profit. I can teach everybody how to trade like this. And you know how long it took? An hour. I put my signal on. You don't have to know anything about the companies. You don't need to know PE ratios, growth. You don't even have to know anything about technical analysis. You find the signal, you put on the signal, you put its profit target out, and you go enjoy your day. Let's go look at the charts. All right, traders, so I promised you I was going to show you how I made 50% returns in the course of 8 hours trading institutional order flow in the option market. So on the left is a proprietary-based scanner. This costs you about $5,000 a year. And even if you paid that $5,000 a year, unless you have 16 years experience like myself, you're going to have no idea how to read this thing, because trade just spit across and come across and come across and come more and then more and more and more. But anyways, we saw a signal hitting the tape this morning in MRVL. Okay, so we see every single stock has stock volume in a day. Every single option has option volume in a day. Today, Marvell traded 3.8 times usual volume. Okay, 2.0 would be twice as much. So let's say Apple trades 35 million shares in a day. If it trades 70 million shares that day, that would be 2.0 times the usual volume. Options are the same way. So we can actually bring the option breakdown here. And you can see here in Marvell, it normally trades 12,000 calls or 16,000 options total. Okay, so see this right here, guys? So normally it trades 16,000 options. Today, it traded 62,000. So that'd be over 3.8 times usual volume. Then I looked to see the signal that I saw going across the tape in Marvell. Institutional order flow in the option market. A trader somewhere in the world, we have no idea who they are, we do not know their stock position, bought 3,100 MRVL, April 20 and a half calls for 82 cents. Then they bought 2,264 more MRVL, April 20 and a half calls for, they paid 67, they paid 82. So when they paid 67, I came in and paid 69, and then I actually raised my target when they paid here. So let's go look at, first of all, the 15-minute bar, and this just paints a good picture of Marvell to the upside. So MRVL, and we look at the 15-minute bar, and you can see here, so an institution started buying these at 2029. Do you think it's pure coincidence that this trader knew the stock was going to rally up this much? The answer is absolutely not. Okay? Of course they knew, guys. Stock got up to 2098. Hypothetically speaking, if you bought stock at 2029, the stock ran to 2898. How much would you have made? 70 cents. All right, 70 cents into $21, about 6%. Not bad. Well, if you took the option that I flagged for the trading room, using this easy system, you don't have to know the PE ratio. You don't have to look at the chart. You don't have to need revenues. You don't need to know profits. You don't have to know guidance. All you have to know is this is a signal, guys, to buy MRVL. You can see this morning. Let's see. These are all time-stamped and dated. Let me go to Marvell. So MRVL, where did I buy this option? Hello. Okay, you can see it in MRVL. I bought this option here at 69 cents at 9:38. I wasn't even at the computer. I put a profit target out. You don't even have to be at the computer. Trade for 1 hour a day, guys. That's it. Okay? Go to the beach, go to the pool, go read a book, go do a million other things you want to do with your life. Look at this signal. I put this out, and I got filled at 158. So 4 hours, guys, to make 50% profit. 69 cents plus 50% of 69 is 35. So 35 plus 69 is 104. I got 106. So how much is that? 50% in 4 hours with 1 hour of work a day, guys. If I can do it, you can do it too. Come join the life of the shark.